Okay, Christy, you're going to talk about the Files app next.
I sure am. Okay, you have a native app on your iPad called Files. And Files is just a storage facility, just like you would store files on a Windows device or a Mac. Your Files app on your iPad stores files for you. What we're going to do in just a second is we're going to open Files and we're going to talk about connecting your Google Drive, because that way you can easily use your Google Files on your iPad. And then we're going to talk about the storage you have in your iCloud Drive, which is connected to Keller ISD, and also on your iPad. So let's look at those things. I'm going to pull down from the center, and I could search for my Files app by typing in Files. It was already on my dock, so it pulled up. When I open my Files, it looks like this. And usually, immediately, I will go to my iCloud Drive. My iCloud Drive is cloud storage. So you kind of think about it like your Google Drive. It's storage in the cloud, and it's files that can be shared with other people. Keller ISD allows 200 gigabytes of storage in your iCloud Drive. So you'll need to maintain your storage appropriately. You also have storage on your iPad. The iPad I'm currently using has a little more than 111 gigabytes available. Your iPad might be different depending upon the version and the type. And so you have a certain amount of storage that is just locally on the iPad. You also can connect your Google Drive, which will allow you to get things from your Google Drive and open them on the iPad. And then you'll have a recently deleted area. As you download things to your iPad, one other drive will pop up there, and it's your downloaded items, which is very similar to your download folder on your Windows device or your Mac. So if you don't see your Google Drive, the only thing that you need to do is turn it on. You've got 3 dots above in the top left where you see the iPad says Browse. So I'm going to click those, and I get 3 different options. I do want you to notice that right here, you can scan items or documents directly into one of your drives from your Files app. So that is very handy for this remote learning that we're all adjusting to.
That's awesome.
It is. It's really cool. And I'm going to click Edit. And then what you see is my menus on the left change just a little bit. I see that my iCloud Drive is on. My iPad is turned on. But when I first got on this iPad, my Google Drive was actually turned off. So I had to physically turn that on and make my authentic connection with Google using my Google username and my Google password to get that to show up in my Drive's location on my files. When I'm ready, I click Done. Down at the bottom, I have certain tags that I can put on files. I can tag files by color, by work, home, and important. But this is your storage facility, almost like your My Documents or your Documents area on a PC.